Okay, YouTube, here's the update from tailgating. The Champion 2800 watt, 3200 max running generator. This is going to be a little better example of what the sound is. Now this is on eco mode off. We've got it hooked up to my fifth wheel. We've got a crock pot heater running, the water heater, electric and propane, because I forgot to turn it on last night, running, plus some lights, charging 4 or 5 cell phones. Eco mode off. So if I turn eco mode on, you can see even with all that stuff pulling juice, it's not actually required to run in high. And it's pretty quiet. I'll walk around the trailer real quick, give you a better idea, and then I'll show you what a Honda 2000 sounds like in comparison. A little dirty, we had some rain last night. As we walk away around the side of the trailer, and of course there's tons of other people up here tailgating, so there's echoes, and not going to be the best, but you can hear how much quieter it gets. We're up here at the Washington State University game, playing Oregon this weekend, so got the TV going at the father-in-law's trailer. Hanging out. Alright, hope that shows you guys what it sounds like. Go Cougs. Hope it helps.